So, are you wondering what I'm doing? I am weighing all my ingredients. So for the longest time, I struggled to get the exact or the same taste every time I made panipuri liquid, because one bunch of mint would weigh differently every time. Your handful versus my handful is different. So one day I went to my mother-in-law's and I said, okay, you show me how you make it. We're going to measure all the ingredients and make this. Wash the cilantro and mint leaves thoroughly. We are going to use Badshah's panipuri masala. That is what my mom-in-law uses. Additionally, you will need black salt. It is an important ingredient. Don't skip it. So we are going to start with adding the mint, cilantro. Next, very important, to add the lemon. Green chilies to your taste. Break it and add it. Next goes the cumin powder, and then the black salt and the salt. Lastly, add the panipuri masala. I have measured out the total amount of water I need for this recipe. I'm just going to use a little bit in the beginning to blend everything. Don't use too much water. You want to blend the mint and cilantro leaves properly before you add more water to it. So only add enough to blend the mixture. You can choose to strain the mixture after blending to keep the color vibrant. But if you want to do that, then the spices also get strained out. So in that case, add the black salt, cumin, panipuri masala, and the regular salt after you strain the mint, cilantro, green chili mixture, and not in the beginning like I'm doing today. Because we have added all the spices in the blender, use remaining water to blend and get all of it out of the jar. Nothing should be left in the jar when you are done with it. I like to make the mint pani few hours or even a day before I need it. I will be posting a video on the different fillings I use in my pani puri soon, so don't forget to check that out. When you are done using all the water that we had measured out in the beginning, the jar will be completely clean. So my mother-in-law taught me another trick. When you're ready to taste the water, taste a decent amount. So it's about a shot glass worth of water that I'm gonna just slurp up in one sip, because that is the best way to know the taste versus just one little spoon. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Until next time, take care.